Guys, we are going to see small waterfall there to bath. Have a bath, yeah. Come here. You will hear the sound. This is small waterfall in Warakapola area in Sri Lanka. Yeah, guys, this is in Sabaragamu area in Sri Lanka, in Warakapola. Small waterfall you can see. This is uncontaminated pure water come out from earth. This kind of waterfalls are there around the area, and this is the beauty of Sri Lanka. You can visit Sri Lanka and have experience like this. And here you can even pass. This is not much deeper. Guys, these are non-famous waterfalls, small waterfalls in villages, and you can see around the area there are green color grasses and green color trees, and this is the water, non-contaminated water. You can see, you can drink even, because nearby these water points are starting. Guys, when it rains and during monsoon periods, this entire stones are filled with water, and water flows hiding entire stones in this area. Friends, if you are interested with this kind of videos further, search us in YouTube as Path Pointer and click subscribe button and put bell all. And if you are watching our video, under the video you press subscribe button and click bell all. Thanks for watching.